Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to talk to you about something that is often overlooked but so important: taking care of our skin. Our skin is our body's largest organ, and it's what we present to the world every day. Yet, many of us neglect to give it the care it deserves. Why is skincare so important? First and foremost, our skin is our body's first line of defense against the outside world. It protects us from environmental toxins, UV rays, and other harmful elements. But our skin also reflects our overall health and well-being. When we take care of our skin, we not only look better, but we feel better too. Unfortunately, many of the skincare products on the market today are filled with harmful chemicals and toxins that can do more harm than good. These chemicals can be absorbed into our skin, leading to long-term health issues and even contributing to the aging process. That's why it's so important to opt for natural skincare products instead. Using natural skincare products has a host of benefits for our skin and overall health. For one, natural products are typically free of harmful chemicals and toxins. They contain ingredients that come from nature, like plant extracts, essential oils, and vitamins that work with our skin to provide a range of benefits. Natural skincare can also be more effective than chemical-based products. When we use natural products, we are giving our skin the nutrients it needs to thrive. These nutrients work to repair damage, soothe irritation, and reduce inflammation. They can also promote collagen production, which is key to keeping our skin looking youthful and vibrant. Creating a natural skincare routine is easier than you might think. It starts with understanding your skin type and its unique needs. From there, you can select natural products that are formulated to address those needs. Some key ingredients to look for in natural skincare products include: aloe vera, soothes and hydrates the skin. Rosehip oil, reduces inflammation and hyperpigmentation. Tea tree oil, fights acne and bacterial infections. Vitamin C, promotes collagen production and brightens the skin. Green tea, provides antioxidants to protect against free radicals. In the second half of my speech, I'll discuss the steps to creating a natural skincare routine and the long-term benefits it can provide. As we've discussed, taking care of your skin goes beyond just your physical appearance, it also impacts your mental and emotional well-being. When you establish a natural skincare routine, you are committing to taking care of yourself and practicing self-care. This sends a powerful message to your mind and body that you value yourself and your health. Taking time to care for your skin can also be a meditative and relaxing experience. Applying natural oils and creams to your skin, massaging them in with care, and taking deep breaths can help to reduce stress and anxiety. This mind-body connection can improve your overall sense of well-being and reduce the effects of stress on your body, including fine lines, wrinkles, and acne. Finally, when you commit to a natural skincare routine, you are also contributing to a sustainable future. Many conventional skincare products contain harmful chemicals that can be detrimental to the environment. When you choose natural and organic products, you are supporting ethical and sustainable practices that prioritize the health of our planet. Furthermore, using natural and organic products can reduce your carbon footprint. Many conventional skincare products require harsh chemical processing and packaging that contribute to pollution and waste. By choosing natural and organic options, you can reduce your impact on the environment and make a positive change for future generations. In conclusion, a natural skincare routine offers numerous benefits for both your physical and mental well-being. By taking care of your skin with natural and organic products, you can improve the appearance of your skin, reduce the signs of aging, boost your confidence, and improve your overall sense of well-being. Remember that self-care is not a luxury, it is an essential part of a healthy and fulfilling life. Take the time to establish a natural skincare routine that works for you, and commit to making it a regular part of your self-care practice. With dedication and consistency, you can achieve healthy and glowing skin that not only makes you look good but also makes you feel good. So take that first step today and start your natural skincare journey. Your mind, body, and the planet will thank you for it.